This is Acretown presenting 11.4 acres in Wayne County, Georgia. Enjoy the tour. Just 11 minutes from downtown Jesup, this property delivers the best of both worlds. Quick access to town and complete seclusion. Tucked away behind a 675-foot deeded access easement, you'll find a versatile tract with flat terrain, ideal for building your dream home, weekend cabin, or recreational getaway. Surrounded by thick woods and brimming with deer and other wildlife, this is a sanctuary for those seeking both freedom and flexibility. You'll appreciate the two open clearings, perfect for future development, and an existing workshop already on site, giving you a major head start. The land is flood-free without wetlands and entirely unrestricted, meaning RVs, mobile homes, tiny houses, animals, and creative building plans are all welcome. With power nearby and the possibility of a well on site, it's a blank canvas that's ready to bring your vision to life. And don't overlook the low annual taxes and pricing well below market value, making this property a truly rare find. For future notifications of discounted and owner-financed land, please like, subscribe, and follow. This land checks every box. No HOA, no zoning, no hassle. Whether you're looking to invest, homestead, or simply escape, this 11.4-acre gem near Jesup is ready when you are. Visit us at acretown.com/Wayne to learn more and take the first step toward your Georgia legacy.